Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Bunch of Thanks kit. With this kit, you can craft 8 flower bouquet-shaped cards that will leave a lasting impression. It features a stamp set with sentiments of gratitude and is available in English, French, and German. This kit also includes twine to tie around the card so it feels even more like a bouquet of flowers. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These floral bouquet cards are such a beautiful way to let someone know how grateful you are for them. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!